In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a SIM card that is deactivated, specifically for smart users. Whether your SIM card has been disconnected for some time or you've just had it deactivated, this guide will walk you through the steps to get it back up and running smoothly. Let's dive into the process to ensure you can connect without hassle. The most straightforward and secure method to reactivate your smart SIM is by visiting your mobile carrier's official website. You'll want to ensure you have a steady internet connection to prevent verification errors and other technical hiccups. Start by opening your default web browser and searching for the official website of your mobile carrier. Once on their page, you'll either create a new account or log in if you already have one. After you've signed in, head over to Account Management, then to Account Settings, and finally to My Services. Once there, look for the option to reactivate your SIM. Follow the prompts. Verify your identity with the required information and then wait for a confirmation message. This will let you know your SIM is active and ready to use. Alternatively, another effective method is contacting your mobile carrier directly. Before initiating this process, gather any identification documents you might need, as these will be required for verification. Locate the helpline number of your mobile carrier and give them a call. When you get through to a call operator, clearly request the reactivation of your smart SIM. At this point, you will be asked to provide your identification details. Simply follow the instructions given by the operator to successfully reactivate your SIM. Now, if you prefer a face-to-face approach or have any complications online or over the phone, visiting a nearby carrier store is your best bet. This process is straightforward, free, and hassle-free. Use a map service like Google Maps to find the closest mobile carrier office to you. Once you arrive, speak to the office representative and request them to reactivate your smart SIM. Make sure to bring along your identity documents, as these will be needed for verification. The staff will take care of the rest after they confirm your details, ensuring your SIM is reactivated on the spot. Each of these methods provides a practical way to reactivate your smart SIM, so you can choose the one that best suits your convenience and needs. Remember to have all necessary identification and account information ready to streamline your experience, reducing any waiting time and ensuring a smooth reactivation process. With your SIM reactivated, you'll be back to making calls and sending messages effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.